Oh no! Oh, it does feel wet. She said it was gonna feel wetty.
It does?
Joey, come
Oh,
see.
no, it does.
Come see, Joey.
Oh, what happened if I
Joey,
put it
come
on?
see.
I wonder what happens if I
Look.
put it on my toe.
Woo! Joey.
What?
Woo! Joey! Joey,
Okay,
move.
this is actually fun. Let's see, it actually doesn't stain too.
Well, I mean, it doesn't smell bad.
Well, what would you rather have? Some kind of soda?
Joey! Oh!
No, it's not sticking in this.
Oh!
It's like sort of sticking.
Drum, it is kind of wet though. That's kind of weird. Yeah, Drum. You want to grab the next one?
Yeah, can I?
Yeah.
Hey.
2 minutes with it.
Okay.
Joey, here. Joel. Here, come for it. Come, here. What's up? Hey, boy. Drum. Here, Joey. Boy, you not get my wig. No, Jerome. Boy.
What did you say about your wig?
I said, don't let it get my wig. You don't say you're gonna buy my wig, boy. Dude, so wait. Which one of the string them look more pink than the other? Oh, yours look pinker.
Yeah, because yours is purple.
Oh, that makes sense. Joey, your brother just got me. Come help me. Drop.
Yes.
Joey, don't laugh. Joey, it's not funny.
Yes, it is.
Serve me some peace. Joey, come and look at all this string. Look at all that string. Ah! Boy, got you, Joe. Here, get him back. Hey, boy, Jerome.
There's one more.
Ah!
Okay, I'm
All right, Jerome, I think mine's done. So we're done. Jerome, mine's done. Yeah, see? Because I split her out.
Can I try yours? Because I'm pretty sure you put on the cap. And then you shake it like that.
Joey, that was crazy, huh? Kind of
Oh,
funky.
it works.
Ah! Okay, okay.
Oh, that was fun.
Oh my God. A fun match? You got ready for clean?
Throw some on your back. Oh,
You got ready for clean, but that was fun. Sure was.